Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I do to clean my makeup brushes. So as you can see, I love to use Done Platinum dishwashing liquid. And for some, that might not be so strange, and for some, it might be, but I've been using it for over a decade now, literally. I used to freelance makeup about 10 years ago in 2015. And before then, when I was practicing makeup and just doing it on myself personally, that is what I chose to use. I actually saw a video years back, Platinum D, a makeup artist in Texas. That was the product that she used. She recommended it, and I actually gave it a try, and I honestly never went back. As you can see, it really goes in there and breaks up the product. And most of the time, I don't even have to wash my brushes more than once. Now, if it's maybe a foundation brush, then maybe twice, but generally it gets it clean the first time, and I absolutely love that for me, because who wants to spend all day washing makeup brushes, especially when you have tons of them. So I just use lukewarm water, and I put a generous amount, not too much, because Dawn does go a long way, but enough to get the brush clean. I just put it directly on the brush and just go in and clean it on my hand. And also, if you do choose to clean your brushes on your hand, because I know that they do have silicone mats that you can purchase from different places to actually clean the brush, and you just rub it on there, but I've always washed mine on my hand. But if you do prefer to wash your brushes on your hand like me, please make sure that you wash your hands really good beforehand with a really good antibacterial soap.
Of Christ, I still fail to explain. Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah.
This next step is really important to me, and I highly recommend it to anyone who has sensitive skin or acne prone skin. I like to let my brushes soak in hydrogen peroxide for at least 5 minutes. This ensures that if there's any bacteria or germs left in the brush, even after me washing, that the hydrogen peroxide will get it for me. And so I just generally let that soak for about 5 minutes or so. After they're done soaking, I go ahead and get rid of the peroxide, and then I just go in and rinse them with cold water, or you can use lukewarm water. I don't think it would hurt. And just make sure that you rinse them really thoroughly to make sure that everything gets out of the brushes.